Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Our subtopic is application of differentiation in Rolle's theorem and mean value theorem. That between these two, there is some difference in formula and steps, but the similarity is to find the value C. And that we know, this is a purpose in this subtopic. The value of C must be between the value of A and B. If we didn't get the value between A and B, it must have a mistake and we have to redo it again to check the error. Okay, the first one. What is the Rolle's theorem? Fx is continuous on the closed interval AB. Fx is differentiable on the open interval AB. Fa equal to Fb, and the formula is f prime c equal to 0. So, to make it easier, there are a few steps. The first step is find the value of Fa and Fb. Both of these values must equal to 0. Second step is differentiate Fx, and after get the f prime x, change to f prime c to get the value of c. Last step is f prime c, that which we changed earlier, is equal to 0. Then we get the value of C that is between the value of A and B. What is the mean value of theorem? Fx is continuous on the closed interval AB. Fx is differentiable on the open interval AB. And the formula is f prime C equal to Fb minus Fa over B minus A. So the step is, first one, find the value of Fa and Fb. The value of Fa and Fb is not equal to 0. That is the difference between Rolle's theorem. Then the second step is differentiate Fx, and the f prime x change to f prime c. Last step is gather all the answer and put it into the formula, that is f prime c equal to Fb minus Fa divided by B minus A. Then the value of c is maybe between the value of A and B.
Now, I'm going to presenting the problem statement for Rolle's theorem and also the solution. So here is the problem statement. The question asks to find the value of C that satisfies the Rolle's theorem for fx equal to x squared minus 6x plus 5 on the interval 1, 5. So, let's go to the first step to solve the problem statement. But before that, this is for everyone's remind. If Rolle's theorem, the value for Fa and Fb will equal to 0. So here we go. Step 1, we have to prove it, which is Fa and Fb is equal to 0. To prove it, we have to substitute 1 and 5 into the function. So, f1 equal to 1 square minus 6 multiplied by 1 plus 5 equal to 1 minus 6 plus 5 equal to negative 5 plus 5 equal to 0. So, f1 is equal to 0. And for f5 equal 5 square minus 6 multiplied by 5 plus 5 equal to 25 minus 30 plus 5 equal to negative 5 plus 5 equal to 0. So f5 also equal to 0. And we can see that Fa and Fb equivalent to value of 0. For step 2, we have to find f prime x. So meaning that we have to differentiate the function. So fx equal to x squared minus 6x plus 5. We have to differentiate this function. So it will be f prime x equal to 2x minus 6. For step 3, find f prime c equal to 0. For this step, we have to substitute the variable of x to the variable of c. And it will be f prime c equal to 2c minus 6. Then f prime c have to equal to 0. So 2c minus 6 equal to 0. negative 6, we brought it to the right, so it will be 2c equal to 6, and c equal to 3. 6 divided by 2 and it will get 3. So C equal to 3 and the answer must be in between on the interval. So for this answer is 3 and 3 is between 1 and 5, meaning that the answer is correct. Final answer must be in between of the interval.
So let's move to the example of the mean value theorem. So we will go to the problem statement of the mean value theorem. The question is, find the value of C that satisfies the theorem for the function fx equals to 3x squared plus 4x minus 3 in the interval 1, 3. Problem statement here, we must find the value of C that satisfies the mean value theorem using formula which is f prime C equals to fb minus fa divided by b minus a. Now, let's do the problem solution of the mean value theorem. The first step, how we want to find the value of C is we must find f1 and f3, which is we must substitute the value of 1 and 3 into the equation. f1 equals to 3 multiplied by 1 square plus 4 multiplied by 1 minus 3, and the answer is 4. And then f3 equals to 3 multiplied by 3 square plus 4 multiplied by 3 minus 3 equals to 36. Next, for the second step, we must find f prime x and f prime c. Based on the equation fx equals to 3x squared plus 4x minus 3, we must differentiate the function to get the f prime x equals to 6x plus 4. Then, to find the f prime c, we must substitute c and get the answer of f prime c, which is 6c plus 4. And move to the last step, we must apply mean value theorem formula, which is f prime c equals to fb minus fa over b minus a. As we get answer in the step 1 and 2, now we simplify the equation, which is f prime c is 6c plus 4 equals to fb minus fa is 36 minus 4 and divide by b minus a, which is 3 minus 1, and simplify the equation and get the answer. C equals to 2. C equals to 2 is the element of the open interval 1, 3. As a conclusion in the Rolle's theorem, the value of C is 3 that sit in the between of the value of A and B, which is interval 1, 5. So this means the function on this interval satisfies the hypothesis for Rolle's theorem, and this is true in the case. And the conclusion in the mean value theorem is the value of C is 2 that on the between in the A and B. So the value of C is a number that satisfies the mean value theorem for the function on interval 1, 3. So, if the conditions of a theorem are satisfied, the conclusion is known to be true. If the hypotheses of a theorem are not satisfied, the conclusion may still be true but not guaranteed.